Hey everyone! Is your website stuck on a coming soon or you are all set page? Don't worry, this is just a default placeholder. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove it and make your real website live in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, log in to your Hostinger account and go to your H panel. Click on Websites in the top menu and select Manage next to the domain you're working on. This is your command center for everything related to your site's visibility. If you're using WordPress, the quickest way is through the WordPress Overview page. On the left sidebar, click WordPress, then Overview. Look for the Maintenance Mode toggle. If it's on, simply switch it off. If you used a plugin like SeedProd, you'll need to go to your WordPress dashboard, find the plugin settings, and disable the active status there. If you use the Hostinger Builder, click Edit Website to open the editor. In the top bar, click the Website Settings gear icon and select General Settings. Find the Coming Soon mode toggle, turn it off, and hit the Update Website button to push those changes live. The Manual File Fix. Still seeing the old page? It might be a leftover file. Go to Files, then File Manager in H panel. Open the public.html folder and look for a file named default.php or a generic index.html that you didn't create. Delete the default.php file to let your actual site files take over. Finally, if you still see Coming Soon, your browser is just remembering the old version. Open your site in an incognito window or press Ctrl F5 to do a hard refresh. Your new site should now be visible to the world. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.